Kid, you're gonna run me into more of these. Whew. Oh, some weapons. But that battle music was nice. Yeah, it is a very nice game. Oops, that would have been bad. Like, I put everything on high. It just feels like something's not right. Could be because it's... okay, I guess OBS doesn't like this in full screen. Oops. My bad. Oh dear. Don't worry, I won't do that again. It's weird. Someone say The Witcher? Is that Wara Jackety? Hope you're having a good day today.
Good. It's clear. Not a crone in sight. I need to sing to Gran. That ought to calm her. Little Johnny softly gazing, fire waning pale. Pop! A spark jumped out and whispered, "Listen, I've a tale."
You got your voice back.
I did, though I seem to have lost an octave somewhere in the process. I shall look for it when I get home.
You're not allowed here, Johnny. You shouldn't have come.
Calm down, Gran. Don't get angry. It's not good for you.
Hope you're having a good day, Jackety.
The woman I asked about earlier.
Forgive me, Gran, but this fellow absolutely must talk to the ladies.
No, she's not allowed.
This far, have you been a dick or a nice
it's
guy?
important.
The fellow will be quiet.
Half.
Gran,
Mostly nice,
please hear me
yeah.
out. I found little Yagna when she got lost, did I not? Did I break Ginny's fever too? I did.
That's pretty
I
funny.
ask anything
Tank.
in return?
Welcome,
No.
Bansi. Hope you're having a good day,
Didn't
man.
even fuss about my stolen voice. Well, now I want something. Gran, help this fellow. Because otherwise he'll pester me day and night, even during potty time. His lass is missing. Perhaps the ladies can help find her, eh?
A fallen angel.
Well, since you put it that way, Johnny, I'll help him. Come with me.
Come with me. Gonna relax a bit. Nice, man. I've been relaxing all night. It's been fun. 64 deaths later. It's on the hardest difficulty though.
Johnny's a good lad. Though the ladies don't like him. No. Foul creature, they say. Don't like him.
Who are the women in the tapestry?
Potty time.
Those are the ladies. Ladies lovely, with power o'er all. Beseech I thee, answer my call. Before you a worm crawls, wretched and small.
Oh. Please work. It's
How
been
dare you disturb our
what
rest,
the
woman?
hell? I think the game just crashed. Really?